Our Writing Success series guides students through the steps of creating extended pieces of writing in the 3 key text categories: imaginative, persuasive, and informative. We provide students with 14 units to give them the scope to analyse and learn from real-life model texts, allowing them to understand the text structure, stages, and the language features. This then helps them to start writing independently. The units explicitly teach the skills of writing through a wide range of text types, including short stories, poetry, expositions, text responses, reports and explanations. At the end of every unit, students, parents, teachers or tutors can use the assessment rubric to evaluate the text draft and suggest any improvements. If your child is in years 7 to 10, this is an essential tool to build their writing success.